Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Trucu Solutions. On this video, I'm going to show you what you can do if you have a Grand Cherokee 2014 and you want to have Apple CarPlay and AndroidAuto and many other features. So let's get to it. So this is my latest purchase. I bought this out of AliExpress. So far, the experience has been amazing. It only took less than 7 days. I bought it on Friday. Today is also Friday, so let's say 6 days. So let's get started. So this, as you can see, we can add CarPlay, AndroidAuto, external media, mirror phones into it, cam. It works with the factory rear camera that the Jeep has, but you can add an front one, which let me know in the comments if you want to see a video on that, and DVR for dash cams if you want to. Not too much here for Jeep. Just make sure that if you're gonna buy one of these, you have the Uconnect with the 8.4-inch screen, right? It's not gonna work in the other one, in those little ones. So make sure you got that in your car. It's basically plug and play. And this, something that you should know about me already, is that I like to improve my car as long as you don't modify the essence of the car. Meaning that I want to keep it as factory looking as possible, as much as possible. So I think this can do it, and let's go right into it. So there you go. So to start, what do we got here? So to start, we got a diagram of what you need to do, which I will show you step by step. We don't need that at the moment. Phone, and here we got the actual module. All right, so here it is, guys. This is the module. Here are the connections. So we got the Wi-Fi antenna, an SD card, connections for the screen, a USB hub, more connections to the screen. I'll go into details later on, and if you want to upgrade. So my suggestion is that when you connect this, I'll go through it in another video with this, but make sure you have access to this, because this goes inside the dashboard. But what you want to do is run a cable from here to a place where you can plug it in, so that way you don't have to take this out every time you want to upgrade your software. Power connection, touch screen connection. This is really important, so that way you can maintain the same touchscreen functionalities of your Uconnect. Media, this is great if you want to put maybe some screens at the back, or you want to in out media here in HDMI, which also let me know if you want to see a video about that. I can do that for you guys. I'm thinking about it. Mic, and more connections to the Uconnect. So I'm gonna put this aside for now. We don't need this at the moment. What else we got here? All right. The intimidating part for some, don't worry. I got you guys. This is why I'm here. This is why Trucu Solutions is here. So this is the actual module that goes inside your Uconnect. So this is very important. Without this, basically you got nothing. So this will sit at the bottom of it. So this will sit like this at the bottom of it. And then there's the metal part of the Uconnect. And then this goes on top. Okay? Let's put this back here. Now, anything else here? I don't think so. No. Right, let me put this aside. So let's go into the cables. Very important. So as I mentioned already, thank you guys to JoeyAuto for this. Okay, microphone. You need the microphone. Very standard. This is you're gonna have this coming from your car. A connection like this, it's gonna be in the back of your Uconnect. Now you're gonna put that connection here, and then this one goes to the Uconnect. All right. So you have audio in. Yeah. This is a button. So if you have AndroidAuto, you can switch it onto here. I don't think we're gonna use this. I'll use the button at the back of my Jeep. This plug goes inside your audio jack on your Uconnect. More jack cables, connections to USB. That's it. This is an extension, so you can have another one. It's good to have extra. This goes to the Uconnect. A USB to micro USB adapter, Wi-Fi antenna, and more audio cables and video cables, which this is where I wanted to go to. So if you have a reverse camera already, you're not gonna use one of these. So you're only gonna use, for example, this is rear, this is front, sorry. So you're gonna use this only if you have a front camera. And this one, because the Jeep comes already with one, I don't think you're gonna need this. But if yours didn't come with one, you're gonna need this cable, plug the aftermarket camera, and this is what you're gonna run to use it. So this is what you're gonna use to trigger it, and this is the power cable, so 12 volts, yes. So this is the connection. So let's get the module and show where everything needs to go. So let's start with the Wi-Fi antenna. Wi-Fi antenna goes here. Very simple. We don't have to actually put it in, but you know where it goes. So LCD out goes here. There you go. LS goes here. There you go. There's one little connection that I'm missing. So that goes over here. So this is the power one. It goes right there. And the touch one, where is the touch one? So it's here, it's behind here. So guys, I'm going to run this into my car and I'll get a video on how this works out. So I have really high hopes for this. I've seen a couple videos of this online, and it seems to do the job. So let's hope we get a native smooth transition when you go from the Uconnect system to this system. So let's see how that works out, and I'll see you on another video. Just send me any questions down in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe.